In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert transitions on Clipchamp Video Editor. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. The first step is to import your videos. Click on Import Media, select your files, and open them. They'll appear in your media library. Next, move all your videos to the timeline by dragging and dropping them. To add a transition to all clips simultaneously, select them on the timeline. You can do this by dragging the cursor over all the assets. They'll highlight in green. If there are clips you don't want to include, simply deselect them by holding Shift and clicking on the asset. Navigate it to the Properties panel and click on the Transitions tab. Browse through the options, and when you find one you like, click on it to apply to all selected clips. The transition will now appear between each clip. You can adjust its duration by sliding the duration slider, but we'll keep the original setting in this example. If you want to change the transition for specific clips, click on the transition in the timeline. It will highlight in green. Then go back to the Properties panel and select a new transition from the Transitions tab. This will replace the original transition with the new one. Repeat this for as many transitions as you wish until you're satisfied with your video's look. I trust this tutorial will be beneficial for you. Please like and share.